5 mindsets animals teach you. Lessons no human might give. Ready to think like a beast? Eagle mindset. Focus hard, think big, fly high, don't get lost among pigeons. Wolf mindset. Strong alone, unstoppable in a pack. Plan smart, lead, strike. Lion mindset. Be the king, no permission, no show-off. Silent power wins. Ant mindset. Small steps, big wins. Tiny fights matter. Small things build greatness. Cheetah mindset. Lock on your goal. Don't stop till it's yours. Which mindset is yours? Comment below. Follow for more power truths.